Hello, dear one. I'm here to converse directly, offering you guidance, care, and hope. Feeling adrift in these turbulent times? Remember, I'm perpetually beside you, shielding and guiding. I observe your challenges, anxieties, and hesitations. Understand you're never solitary. Facing a tough choice, health problem, financial distress, or feeling world detached. Whatever it is, I bring solace and backing. Realize you're esteemed, loved, and significant. You're destined for greatness, and I'll guide you towards it. Relinquish your apprehensions, anxieties, and uncertainties, and believe in me. I'm perpetually attentive to your pleas, responding in your best interests. Stay strong, dear one, and be assured of my perpetual presence. May my essence bring tranquility and delight to your forthcoming journey. The divine proclaims, I'm presenting an opportunity for your true self. My actions or words won't sway your choices, but trust in me, and I can transform facets of your existence. I understand your essence and the strengths and frailties of your gifts. My adoration for these gifts is so profound, I aspire to guide their fruition. Recognize the loneliness from life's hurdles and mundane vexations, but know I'm beside you through all. Trust in me, and I wish to aid you. You matter, and my blessings are immense. Like this, if you feel I crafted this universe for my offspring. Since eternity, I've endeavored to guard them and derive goodness from situations. I'm perpetually with you, ever present in every life moment. God isn't seeking to rescue you from yourself. He aims to salvage you for His glory. He desires your goodness to emanate from His love and negativities to return to Him. He doesn't wish to alter your essence but rejuvenate it for eternal bond with Him. God doesn't merely wish to adjust your life, but claim it as His masterpiece reflecting His glory. He isn't merely the paramount existence, but the utmost love. His love is so vast He sacrificed His existence. He loves us to extents beyond comprehension. He sent His Son for our redemption, ensuring forgiveness and eternal celestial life. More crucially, God desires our awareness of His unwavering presence. Regardless of grim circumstances, He reminds us He's always reachable, always listening, always responding for our welfare. In my creation of the universe, I didn't seek perfection. Perfection is unattainable, but know of my perpetual presence and immense love. I'm your deity, you're my creation. Your existence is my gift. Nature has a rhythm, sunrises, rain showers, flora flourishing and perishing. Similarly, everything has intent, including God's plans for you, providing life's challenges and blessings. Follow my directives, and I'm with you at every step. God desires your optimum, authentic self. Not transient contentment, but long-term joy. The cosmos is my craft, brimming with my benevolence. I'm ever present, extending my help instantaneously. You hold unparalleled worth. I crafted the galaxies. My essence isn't confined to worldly views. I am ethereal. Many facets may seem tangible but lack authenticity. God, however, is the true essence, urging trust in His unwavering presence and assurances. I'm your loving parent, attuned to your heartaches, eager to reveal my truth. While I've been consistent, it's time for a fresh revelation. I wish for your companionship. Offer what you can, and I'll reciprocate manifold. The choice is yours, revert to old patterns or gravitate towards me. Earning heavenly grace isn't merely about afterlife, it's about the extent of your devotion. Scriptures portray God not as a demanding entity but an inviting host. He wishes for mutual fondness. Worldly beauty and wonder stem from divine presence, yet harmony with divine will could elevate it. Born a God's child, nurtured and taught by family, you recognize daily choices and their repercussions. Opting wrongly leads to outcomes, grand or trivial, like job loss or parental reprimands. This design is to ensure that transgressions yield repercussions. God expresses, I wish you joy, health, and life's meaningful elements. trust me in all phases, knowing my unwavering presence. Finding happiness requires altruism over selfishness. Though God is benevolent, hardships occur to accentuate his profound love. His yearning is to make peace, offer forgiveness, and heal, ensuring eternal tranquility. God desires us as his lineage, created in his likeness. He wishes us to emulate him. Imitating God or Christ necessitates choice. Your life's value is immense, and God desires your joy and understanding of his perpetual companionship. Through highs and lows,